Hi beautiful people, today we'll be making boiled plantain and egg sauce. So guys, to do this my recipe is plantain and eggs. That's the plantain. You have to slice it into pieces before cooking it. Guys, I didn't film the process of the cooking because I actually forgot. So now this is the egg sauce. I first of all slice my tomatoes, pepper and onions. Then I garnish that with some sliced pepper. After that, I had to fry it until it's done. That's me checking if my plantain is ready, but it wasn't ready at this point, and my egg sauce was not also ready at this point. I had to mix until it's ready. Here, guys, it's ready. This means peeling it off because you won't eat it with the skin, but I cook it with the skin. Cook it with the skin so that you have enough of it. If you have to peel it before you cook it, you will end up wasting it because it's not ripe, so it doesn't pull out easily. But once cooked, it pulls out very easy. Look at me here, it's so hot. The disadvantage of this method is the fact that the plantain becomes so hot for you to peel, but because it's very easy to pull off, you just grab it and then pull it off. I was so happy to pull this off because I just knew that after this I'm going to have my delicious lunch. I mean, it was brunch because I ate this quite late in the afternoon, like about 1 p.m. So after this, it's still very hot and I'm still trying to peel. I kept peeling. I think I ate about four of it. Yeah, because it wasn't so much. I cooked just two plantains. If you want to have this as a focus meal with your family, you have to have about six plantains to be able to achieve this. Or no, about 6 to 10 plantains if your family is a large one. But this was just for me alone because my both parents were at work and it was just my brunch for me, just me. And by the way, I didn't have so much because I'm on a weight loss journey and I'm trying to like lose some reasonable amount of weight. So I was eating quite low and eating healthy. That's why I'm going for plantains. Plantain doesn't have high carbohydrate rate, so I choose plantain. So if you're also on a weight loss journey like myself, do well to add plantain to your diet because it's one meal you will enjoy and still be maintaining your calorie intake because this is not carbohydrates full, and at the same time you'll be so full because when you eat this you'll be very full and you drink a lot of water. If you don't take so much water, you'll have constipation and you'll not be able to use the toilet freely. So make sure when you're eating this, be ready to consume a reasonable amount of water. Here guys, I'm done peeling it and I'm going in with my eggs. Make sure that there's not so much oil in your eggs while frying it, but at this point I had to like increase the egg because it's protein. You need protein for your weight loss, and then go with some vegetables. That's why I use the tomatoes. I didn't let it cook for so long because I needed it to be so fresh. Yeah, the fresher the better. And my onions was still very crunchy. So guys, this is me feeling myself that I've successfully made a delicious brunch. And guys, I'm having the bite, the first bite. Let's see how it tastes like. Oh, it's hot. Yeah. Oh, delicious. This is good. Guys, if you need a chef, by the way, I'm readily available. Okay, because I'm a very, very good cook. I mean, a lot of people can attest to that. Guys, at this point, this meal was just so delicious and I couldn't wait to stop filming so I could just like continue eating my lunch. Yeah guys, look at that thumbs up because I was definitely enjoying myself. Then I came out of the kitchen to the living room to enjoy the rest of my meal. So guys, thank you guys for watching. If you love my videos, love my vlogs, please do well to subscribe, and you can still go as well to watch other videos of mine on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to be a successful YouTuber. And guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.